Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hot sauce thicker step by step. Start by choosing a starch, pectin, or reduction method based on your flavor goals and heat level. Taste early and often, and add thickeners slowly to avoid overdoing it. Use gentle simmering to concentrate flavors without burning, and strain for smooth texture. Remember to cool and test thickness before bottling for best results. Here are practical thickening options to try and compare for texture and flavor. Cornstarch slurry is quick. Dissolve 1 part cornstarch in 2 parts cold water before adding to hot sauce. Pectin works well for fruit bases and can help with shelf stability. Reduction requires time but keeps ingredients pure. Simmer gently to reduce volume by 15 to 30% until desired body is achieved. If you are enjoying these tips, please subscribe and like so we can keep making helpful kitchen videos. Quick recommendation: I love the perspective in the book The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with budgeting your spice purchases. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to explore it. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Use these practical techniques to refine texture and flavor balance in your sauce. Whisk thickeners into a cold liquid first, then add to simmering sauce while stirring constantly. Low simmering prevents scorching and preserves bright flavors, so stir frequently and monitor reduction. Always cool the sauce to assess true viscosity, and adjust with small additions if needed to reach your preferred pour or spread consistency before packaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.